Hi. Can you sing your ABCs for us, Roma? No?
Let's see. The
Colors, that's right.
frog.
Frog, that's right. Green frog. Ducky. Ducky. That's a ladybug. It's red.
Shoes.
Yeah, red shoes. Red shoes.
Socks.
Socks, that's right. Blue socks.
Moose.
That's an apple. Tomato.
Four.
That's foof, that's right.
Oh.
Orange. Bananas, that's right. Lemon. Socks.
Shoes.
No, those are mittens. Purple mittens.
Foos. Foo.
Yeah, that's foof.
Sheep.
Should Mama sing them? No, you don't want me singing ABCs?
Clothes.
Clothes, that's right. That's a shirt.
Shoot.
Shirt. You're wearing a shirt.
Shoot.
Shirt.
Goose.
Clothes.
Cheese.
Chickens. Buck, buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck. Chickens.
Pop, pop.
Those are hop pops. Those are bunnies.
Pop, pop.
Hop pop. Go the bunnies.
Cheese. Burger. Girl.
Girl, that's right. Roma's a girl.
Roof.
Puppy dog. What does the puppy dog say?
Roof.
Woof woof.
Girl.
Mm-hmm. Girl.
Down.
Up and down. One car has its box up and one down. What's that?
Girl.
Girl. Is Roma a girl? Yes. Is Lila a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is Mama a girl?
Yeah.
Lila's a girl. Mama's a girl. Is Daddy a girl?
Yeah.
No, Daddy's a boy.
Daddy.
Daddy's a boy.
Dad.
Daddy. Can you say bye-bye? Should we read that
Bye-bye.
book? Okay, bye-bye.
Uh-oh.
Bye-bye. Can you wave? No? Can you blow kisses?
Daddy.
Mwah. Yeah, we miss Daddy. He's just at work, though. Bye-bye.